Hi, I'm Sonja, and today I am going to be doing my unboxing for my November Petit Vour subscription box. So this is a all vegan and cruelty-free subscription box. It comes monthly. You can skip a box or cancel at any time. These boxes, they usually come with about 4, maybe 5 products in them. Most of the time they're like sample size, a smaller size, but sometimes there's a full size option, and it's $18 a month unless you pay for a yearly, and then it becomes $15 a month. So I'm just on the monthly plan. This is my 3rd box I've received, and I have to say, like, the first 2 boxes were okay, but I haven't been overly like blown away by it. I've enjoyed my Kinderbox subscription so much more. So we'll see. This is the 3rd month for this one, so we'll see what it's like, and we'll open it up. Now, I have to tell you, I'm in the middle of moving. I currently live in Arizona, and my husband got a job in Massachusetts, so we are in the process of moving to Massachusetts. We're leaving in, let's see, wait, what's today? Today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We fly out in 5 days. In 6 days, we'll be in Massachusetts, and so I'm kind of a mess. These kinds of videos, I do them as they come in, but I do have like 10 videos that I need to edit and post. So those ones will be like of me in Arizona still, but then moving forward you're gonna see me in Massachusetts. So I'm a little crazy. Like, if you saw my room around here, it is a mess. There's stuff everywhere and moving boxes everywhere. It's just like super crazy, but I wanted to take time to do this really fast to show this box. So let's see. So this is the inside when you open it up, and it says be bold, be kind, and it has the little card there. And on the back of the card it says what everything is and what it's worth, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so let me get on my handy dandy glasses so I can see. Okay, so the first thing is the Kvass Blushing Beauty Palette for $36. That's this. So it says an ultra blendable powder blush palette in a versatile trio of balancing brightening, cleansing, and skin cushioning formulas that create a natural healthy glow. So this is worth $36. So it says at the back that it's Cora, Rosy, and Peaches. So I don't really like anything that is like peachy or, you know, like orangey, which is strange. I used to love that years ago, and now I just don't. So it has, like, back here it shows you the colors. And then there's another box inside. And then here's this. Oh, it says what the colors are behind here too. That's a lot of packaging. And there they are. I mean, they look pretty enough. It's like really orangey. Really corally. All 3 of them are. Here, I'm gonna swatch them for you so you can see. And here they are on my hand. And they're very peachy, corally. I mean, they're pretty. I can just honestly say I don't foresee myself using this a ton. I'm more of like a pinky type girl, but I'll try them. You never know. Sometimes you get the right product and you're like, okay, this changed my life. It changed the way I think about things. So I'll keep this with all my stuff. I like that it's a full size. I just wish the colors were a little different, but that's okay. Like, who knows? I might love it. So the next thing on the sheet, it's 3 ships. 3 ships again. Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask. Ooh, for $15. This nourishing and restorative lip mask hydrates lips from within while also providing a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Well, that sounds nice. There. This is the 3 ships Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like buttercream frosting. All right, let's put this on and see. Ooh, it's like kind of oily feeling. It kind of just melts to your fingertip. It's soft. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. I actually think I really like this. Okay, I really like this, I think. I mean, I really like this, but you know, sometimes I get a lip product and at first I like it, and then when I wear it, I notice that like either it actually makes my lips feel more dry, or that I feel like I'm putting stuff on more often. And so we'll see if that's what happens with this, but it feels nice, and there's like a lot in there, and it's glass, and I like that because you can recycle it. Okay, so the next thing is the F.E.T.E, F-E.T.E, F.E.T.E. So this is an all-natural face exfoliator. It's 100% natural vegetable fiber, cruelty-free and vegan, biodegradable, coloring-free, additive-free, removes dead skin, dirt, and oil, hydrates skin, and balances pH. What? Okay, this is actually really cool. It has a little string so you can hang it up. I'm actually excited to try this. Okay, so I will say this month's Petit Vour, it only looks like it has 4 products, but so far I like this better than any of the other months I've had. Like I said, this blush, these aren't really my go-to colors, but it doesn't mean I won't use them. They're just not my go-to. So this is okay. I like, so far my lips feel great with this, and I think this is going to be so fun to use. So I think that's going to be fun. So let's see. The last one is just like a little sample size. I can see that already. It's Bybee, B-Y-B-I. It's a nighttime booster that stimulates collagen production and dramatically improves the texture of skin without irritating it. This is worth $1. It's just this little card thing. Then you open it up and it has the little sample there. It's a retinol alternative. It's just a really tiny little bit, like really tiny little bit. I'm even scared to open it just to see because it's so little in here. The full size of this must be pretty expensive then. Let's put it on my hand. I can't really smell that it smells like anything, but it feels smooth and soft, so we'll try it probably. The only thing that I can see that I'm probably going to use the most is this lip, and so this is worth $15, and I paid $18 for the box. So I'm not saying this box isn't worth it. I mean, I want to try this. I'm really excited about this, and I'll try the blush because I was just thinking I needed more blushes. I don't have very many, so I don't know. Again, I don't feel overly like blown away by this box again, but I don't feel overly disappointed. I mean, like here are my other 2 boxes. So I've gotten 3 boxes in a row. I've gotten 2 at the Kinder boxes so far. And I will tell you this, that I probably won't use much of any of this stuff because when we move to Massachusetts, we're going to actually be staying in a hotel for like the first, until like at least December 1st, possibly through the new year. So I probably won't be playing around with any of these things right away. This just because we are leaving so soon and I don't want to like have to take extra stuff right now that I'm not too sure about to try out. So it'll probably just be packed up. But I mean, this was one of the boxes and I haven't touched some of the products in there at all yet. These, I haven't touched any of these yet either. I mean, I just haven't been overly blown away with the Petit Vour boxes. So I don't know, maybe I'll do one more month and see, because I kind of want to see the December box. Wait a second. Oh, this is just the October box. I thought this was the November box too. So this is the October box. I didn't get the October box until November. I don't know. I'm not really blown away by Petit Vour at all. So I think, I don't know. So I got August, September, October, and I don't feel overly blown away by any of these. I don't know. I hate to say it. I don't know, I might do 2 more boxes just so I can see what comes in the holiday box. Like, I would hope that December would have something a little bit festive. So maybe I'll do 2 more months of it, and then if I don't like get blown away within the next 2 months, I'm probably just going to cancel the subscription. I really like the Kinder box. And I do have my FabFitFun box that I just did my customizations for that. And I have it being shipped to Massachusetts. So let's just hope when I get it, I can get it right away and do a video right away for the FabFitFun. So we will see. But that's kind of what was in that box. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments if you think I should keep up with the Petit Vour, or if you have a different subscription box. As long as it's vegan and cruelty free, I would be happy to try it. And then keep watching, because I actually have a fun idea. I am going to be placing an order and having it shipped to Massachusetts. I have a couple of fun ideas of things I want to do, but one of them I'm going to do is I'm going to do all new products, but a different product brand, like for every item that I put on my face. So when I open up the box, I'm actually going to apply everything on my face that's in the box, whether I end up liking it or not. It all goes on the face. So, you know, I have a couple fun things going, but please like and subscribe. It helps me. I'm new and I'm small, so the more people that like and subscribe, I appreciate it. Click the bell for notifications, and let me that way you can keep up to date. Just hit that bell for notifications of when I upload new videos. But I do upload videos every Friday, no matter what. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!